Hello, my name is Erika Joana Calderon Sierra. I am 31 years old. I am studying industrial engineering. I am from of the city Pereira Risaralda. Today I come to tell you a lie about my family. Which is made up of my husband, Andres Felipe. He is starter than me. He is a mechatronic engineer. He is 33 years old. My oldest son, he is called Juan Felipe. It's 30 years old and he is shorter than my husband. My youngest son is called Sebastian. He's 6 years old and he's I love. In this second part, my niece is called Samantha. She's 7 years old. Tire tap Sebastian. And also wears glasses like my oldest son. Here I lie of my life family. Thank you. Good night.